Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. This one won't last. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car side entry garage built in 2008 on almost 1 acre located off of a paved road in quiet cul-de-sac with a fenced backyard. What more could you ask for, and it's vacant and ready for you to move right in. New 5-ton 14 seer AC installed in 2019 with HEPA filter and ultraviolet light. Half-acre lot next door was combined and features gazebo. Offers a great opportunity for buyer to ask the county to split to allow a second home built next door for the extended family. Features lead glass door entryway, volume ceilings, large open living, dining and family room area and open kitchen with island, plus inside laundry room with sink and large pantry area. Master suite with garden tub and screened lanai. Lots of privacy but close to hospitals and shopping via Veterans Hwy and US 19 for quick commute and only about 15 minutes to Gulf of Mexico. Seller offering $7,000 flooring/paint allowance with acceptable offer.